this case has definitely something for you. I think that it doesn't matter if you're a gamer, content creator, or just love a clean and efficient build. With its high-performance ventilations, premium tempered glass panel, and effortless cable management, it's a perfect balance between, form and function. This Corsair 4000D Airflow is a mid-tower ATX PC case designed for high-end performance cooling and slick modern aesthetics. It features a steel front-end panel with a high airflow design that maximizes ventilation, ensuring optimal cooling for powerful gaming or maybe just using it for workstation setups. It has ample room for additional cooling options, however, including support for up to 6 120mm or 4 140mm fans. The fan mounting positions includes 3 120mm or 2 140mm fans in the front, 2 120mm or 140mm fans on the top, and 1 120mm fan at the rear. For liquid cooling, however, it actually supports radiators up to 360mm in size at the front and up to 280mm on the top. The optimized airflow design keeps the temperatures low, allowing of course for better system performance and longevity of the, overall components inside. Don't forget that all the links are going to be in the bio down below.